Hello friends! Today I'm going to share with you a 3-ingredient salad dressing recipe that is so creamy, so easy to make. You would never go back to normal creamy recipes anymore. You won't believe there is no dairy in it. I go back to this recipe at least once a week and it's so good. So let's get to it. This recipe requires a high-speed blender, or you can use a normal one, it just wouldn't be as creamy. So all you need is 4 dates. This is for 1 serving and I eat quite a big salad. Let me show you. My salad bowl is quite big. I like my salad drowned in sauce. So if you eat less salad and you don't drown your salad in sauce, then this could probably feed 2 servings. But for me, this is only 1 serving. So I'm using 4 regular dates. If you use medjool, you can halve them. So maybe 2 medjool dates. I'm using 4 regular dates, 1 clove of garlic, and here is a homemade tahini. Tahini is blended roasted sesame, so 2 spoonfuls of this, or you can buy store-bought, no problem. I just prefer mine homemade. If you have a less powerful blender, just crush them and mince them a little bit, as well as the dates. Crush the garlic. And if you have a high-speed blender, you can just put them in big chunks. You don't even have to chop them up. But in case you don't, then we make our dates smaller so it's gentler for the blender. Two heaping tablespoons of sesame. And finally, add half cup of water. I don't have a measuring cup, so I just use a regular coffee and tea cup and pour it in and just blend it up together. If you like it more thick, then this should be good. But if you like it a little bit more runny, then just add more water later. Are you ready for it? Oh, look, it's a bit thick. Doesn't move at all. So I'll just add a little bit more water to make it more pourable. Now it's perfect. Look. So let's pour it onto my salad. Watch this, guys. Watch this. Creamy, sweet, garlicky. If you like it more garlicky, you can add a little more cloves. The original recipe actually has 2 garlic cloves, but sometimes I find it too intense, so I just put 1. I'll link the original recipe down below. The original recipe also has a tablespoon of olive oil, but I think it's unnecessary because tahini is already good fats, and this recipe is great for calcium. Tahini has lots of calcium. And also, if you've watched my Eat Your Way to Flexibility, this is one way you can use sesame to get more flexible. So thank you for watching Dawn for Life. I would be posting more of this short how to make dressings or jam, so that you can see how easy it is to eat healthy, and it's really not difficult at all. I hope you like this video, really short one, and let me know in the comments below if you tried these recipes and if you like them too. Let me know if you like them by clicking thumbs up button, thumbs down button, whichever. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye! This recipe requires This recipe requires a high split Mm. Mm. So good. Never get tired of this. Yes, yes, yes.